Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix WhatsApp broken calls. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to call again. So, go ahead and open WhatsApp, I'm already here, and then go to the bottom right corner, tap on settings, and once you're here, tap on help, and then contact us. So, if you see the screen, tap on settings and it's gonna show this, and then tap on contacts, and that's pretty much all you have to do to open that screen. Tap on contact us again, and now just type your concern, which is your WhatsApp call. I can't do WhatsApp calls, please help me. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So tap on next, and then as you can see, it says we will respond to you in a WhatsApp chat. So they will actually make a chat for you just so you can fix your problem. It's very cool, and you're gonna be chatting with someone while they help you and assist you in your problem. So it's that simple. All you have to do is tap on next. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.